Alright, bought a Mustang and needed a new battery. I went and got that, and I'm just gonna throw some WD-40 on the hood latch because it's a little stiff. And it needs a new transmission, which I have in the garage. Good. I'm gonna see if I can coat these terminals in soldering paste, and maybe the acid will burn it off because they're a little crusty. They're pretty bad. All right. Oh man, we should fire up. Let's see. There it goes. God damn, there's not even a check engine light. Epic. That is an engine. Looks like engine. Let's see if it'll drive in first. I know it goes in reverse. Window works. All right. This one. All right, they're all up. Cool. Yeah, now we're in first. Oh. How many neutrals do you have? I know it works in reverse. Oh, no, it doesn't. Oh, there it goes. Just gotta get the belts going. Yeah, it does not. All right, let's just park it. Got the Mustang in the garage. It's on jack stands. Unfortunately, the bell housing minimum distance is 16 inches, and that gap under there is only 15, so I think I'm gonna have to do some maneuvering at least, but you know, I'll get it figured out. I'm going to think about removing the interior, and then maybe I'll go to bed. Man, what is wrong with people? I'm gonna put this in some acetone because I'm poor. All right, check the crustiness out on this. Turns out it was ice. I can't believe people let their cars just get this freaking dirty. They're pigs, absolute pigs. I think a soda spilled or a slushy. I don't even know why that stuff is still blue. Maybe it's mold. This is under the back seats. There's mold all over the car on the seat belts. Looks like a rat hung out in here. Trunk is not as bad, but there's just staples everywhere from the roof. Good and disgusting. All the interior is out, though. It's good. Same with the trunk. I'm going to let it dry for a little bit. These are the seats. I'm going to see if I can do a manual conversion. We'll see about that. I'm going to scrub and wash this out with my carpet cleaner. I guess it's not too much of a cheap cleanup since I have all these tools, but you can use them more than once, so I'm not really too sure if that's you consider that into the price. As far as when I do a cheap cleanup, or when I buy a car and start gauging how much money I spend, I only log new tools for the car, but none of the old stuff. And I probably wouldn't make any money. I did multiple cleans on this. The water was just brown every time. Eventually, you just assume the water's going to come up brown, and you've done it 3 times, so you give up. Interior came out pretty good. Put the rear seats back in. It's amazing what a little elbow grease will do. I am going to take out the taillights. The problem is the red is pretty good, except when you get to the taillights. I already took apart the other side, and I found out how it goes together, so maybe I can do this side a little bit better. This is a cover. I wish it was just red plastic. Underneath is just red plastic, but you just see a bunch of mechanical stuff on the car. I'm really not sure what to do about this piece. Painting it black would make it look pretty emo, so maybe I'll see if I can shine it up. So I'll show you how it comes apart. First, you take off their 4 screws, or 4 nuts onto studs. These 2, and then there are a couple back here. Maybe that one. Yeah, that one. And then maybe there's one hidden under this stuff. Was not like that on this side. A lot less stuff. We'll see how that goes. So there are 3 screws once you get the tail light out. 1, 2, 3, and then some miscellaneous clips. Don't take out these red ones, the black ones, and they'll probably break. So I think I'm gonna have to double-sided tape. The screws will hold it in mostly, so I'm okay with that. The taillight covers are off. I only managed to break 1 clip this time. That was good. And I got all the right clips off. If it's colored red, don't take it off. I'm gonna go wash these. This is what the face of it looks like. So it's not so great in the car because you see all these holes. I really wish that wasn't like that. Anyway, I decided what I was gonna do. What I am gonna do is I bought some tinting paint off Amazon. It'll be really easy to make these just a little bit darker black. Came out pretty good. And then the frames, I'm going to do matte black with a matte clear coat. And came out pretty good. Less emo than I thought. Pretty happy with that. I think it looks a lot better. This is how the interior came out after a couple more passes. Came out real nice. I'll put the seats back in, maybe with a manual conversion. Got to do some testing. Oh no, video is running out. See you later, bye!